Nice day to all of you. This is my first video clip to introduce the distance education. Today, my first topic is simple present tense and present continuous tense. Actually, we all know these two tenses are very useful for us to use the English language in day to day lives. Okay, as the first step, what is simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to talk habitual actions. Habitual actions means the actions that we are doing as a habit. අපි පුරුද්දක් විදියට කරන දේවල්. Used to talk general truth. What is the meaning of general truth? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි ස්වාභාවිකව දකින දේවල්. ස්වාභාවිකව සිදුවෙන දේවල් ප්‍රකාශ කරන්නේ simple present tense එක use කරලා. The actions are previously scheduled. ඊට කලින් අපි වෙලාවක් නියමිත කරගෙන තිබෙනවා. අන්න ඒ අවස්ථාව ප්‍රකාශ කරන්න අපිට පුළුවන් simple present tense එක භාවිතා කරන්න. දුම්රිය ගමනාගමනයක් වගේ. The train leaves at 10 o'clock. ඒ විදිහට අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Now this is the format. You can see subject, verb, object and rest. I is the subject. The verb is teach. What do I teach? The answer is English. So English is the object of this sentence. So we can create the sentence I teach English. Look at the second one. He teaches English. Now you can see the difference between teach and teach. Actually teach and teach, there is another es of the second sentence. The reason is singular and plural forms. Normally the verb is stem. I mean the base form, the verb is in the plural form. So it doesn't matter using plural subjects with the verb is stem. But the problem is if we want to use the singular subjects, definitely we have to change the verb into singular form. That's why I use he teaches English like that. Okay, right. Here, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk present actions and used to talk future actions, future events. අපි අනාගතයේදී මොන හරි දෙයක් සැලසුම් කරගෙන තියෙනවා නම් කරන්න අපිට present continuous tense එකෙන් කියන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම මේ මොහොතේ අපි කරමින් සිටින දෙයක් ප්‍රකාශ කරන්නේත් අපි present continuous tense එකෙන්. Okay, here's the format. Subject am is are plus verb ing plus object plus rest. You can see the examples. I am teaching English. He is teaching English. That's very simple. Am teaching. Is teaching. Normally we can use I am. He is. She is. It is. Because they are singular forms. In the plural forms we can use we are, you are and they are. Okay. Now combination. Study the following chart and construct sentences. You can see many subjects, many verbs, many objects. Then we can prepare so many sentences by using these words. So here are the examples. I clean the room. It is the simple present tense sentence. Next one, I am cleaning the room. You know, I clean, I am cleaning. That is the difference. Here are some more examples. Marlon dances at the party. Can you say how can we translate, how can we turn this sentence into present continuous form? Yes, very simple. Marlon is dancing at the party. Again, we study English. We can say we are studying English. The children play football. We can say the children are playing football. They wash the room. They are washing the room. She cooks rice and curry. She is cooking rice and curry. He drives his car. He is driving his car. Look at this. Very simple. Now I think you can prepare your own sentences and practice more. Right. Now there's another one. We are talking about simple present tense and the present continuous tense. Actually, there are some adverbs that we can use. Here are they. Simple present tense and present continuous tense. What are the adverbs that can be used in the simple present tense? Here, always, every day, sometimes, often, usually, never, rarely. But in the in the present continuous tense, we can use just only now, at the moment, like that. Here are some examples. He sometimes drives his car. It is his habitual action. ඔහු සමහර වෙලාවට ඔහුගේ මෝටර රථය පදවනවා. In the other times, his driver may drive his car. Right? ඔහුගේ රියදුරු තමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් වාහනය පදවන්නේ. නමුත් ඔහු සමහර වෙලාවට පදවනවා. It is his habitual action. But in the second sentence, he is driving his car. ඔහු ඔහුගේ වාහනය දැන් පදවමින් ඉන්නේ. It is the present action. And you can see the difference between these two sentences. Okay? Right. Here is an activity. Put the verbs into the correct tense. Simple present or present continuous. Here, look, he blank, within brackets, leave the house. Quiet please, I blank a test. She usually blank to school. But look, today she blank bye-bye. Every Sunday we blank to see my grandparents. He often blank to the cinema. We blank Monopoly at the moment. The child seldom blank. Actually, when you try to complete this activity, please pay the attention, the habitual action and the present action. I think the adverbs may help you to complete this activity. Okay. Thank you very much. I will meet you again with the next topic. Definitely, it must be past, simple past tense and past continuous tense. Okay. Then stay at home, study well. Thank you very much.